If you want to automatically add drip subscriber from your WordPress form, then this video is just for you. In this video, we will be using the premium version of Forminix Form Builder plugin for WordPress. You can purchase the premium plugin from Forminix.com. I have already created a contact form using the plugin and placed the form in my contact page. Now from your admin panel, navigate to the modules menu of the plugin and turn on drip integration. Then let's go to the settings of the form we have created and navigate to the Integrations tab. Click the Add Integration button and choose Drip. You must provide an account ID and API token of your Drip account. To get those, you will have to go to your Drip dashboard. Then click Settings icon from the sidebar and navigate to the Account menu. From here, copy the account ID and paste it into Forminix. Again, back to the Drip dashboard and select the profile icon from the header and click User Settings. From here, copy the API token and paste it into Forminix. All custom fields from your Drip account will appear here. Last step is to map the form fields, like which form field will be used as which profile information of the subscriber. In example, I will be choosing my email address field value as the subscriber's email address and first name field value as the subscriber's first name. Let's now save the settings and start testing our Drip integration. Great! Form Submitter has been successfully added as a subscriber in Drip, and you have just learned how we did the Drip integration using Forminix.